Welcome guys, so today I am with REALME Narzo 50A Prime and I want to show you how to use camera, how to use the best features in this camera. So let's quickly open the camera application and we can go, for example, for comparison between normal mode and 50 megapixel mode. So if you want to get more details on your photos, you can definitely use this additional mode. So the first, we are going to make comparison between normal photo. Let's focus, for example, on this old cell phone. Right now, let's go for the more modes and open the 50 megapixel lens. Right now, let's catch focus also on the cell phone. Click on the shutter, hold your phone steady, don't move. And right now, let's take a look. So this photo was taken with this 50 megapixel mode, right? Let's zoom in, let's focus on the details.